In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Gotomeeting recording video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab your meeting recordings from the Goto web portal and from the follow-up email link for cloud recordings, with a few helpful tips so nothing gets lost along the way. Let's start on the official Goto web portal. Sign into your account the same way you normally do. Once you are in, head to the meetings area and open the history section. This is where past sessions live. To zero in on recordings, apply the recorded filter. That trims the list to only sessions that have a recording available. When you see the session you need, click into that specific recording to open its details. Here, you can choose the items you want to download, typically the video itself, and, if available, the chat transcript. Select the items you want, then click Download. Keep the browser tab open while the download starts and finishes. And give large files time to complete. Your browser will either drop the files into your default downloads folder or ask you where to save. Choose a location with enough space and a clear folder name, so you can find it later. If you don't see the recording yet, it may still be processing, especially after long or high attendance sessions. So check back shortly. Now let's cover downloading from the email link for cloud recordings. After your session ends, look for the message Gotomeeting sends. Open that email and click the recording link inside. That link takes you to the recording page. On that page, click the download icon, the downward-facing arrow, to save the video to your computer. If prompted to sign in before downloading, just continue through the normal sign-in screen. This path is especially handy if you prefer going straight from your inbox, or if you weren't already in the portal. As with the portal, allow time for the file to fully download and confirm it's saved where you expect. A couple of quick best practices while you are organizing. Rename files with the meeting topic and date so they're easy to search. And store them in a project folder you back up regularly. Respect your organization's privacy and retention policies and share recordings only with people who should have access. If a link has expired or you don't have permission to download, reach out to the meeting organizer or check your account role. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.